Okay, pages 13 through 16 really are just working in different key signatures. You'll see that page 13 is working in D major, 14 in A major, 15 B flat major, 16 E flat major. Now that you know about your circle of fifths and your key signatures, I'm sure you can easily determine what is in those key signatures and of course how you would write them. So we're not going to do these together. This is essentially one sort of slightly larger assignment for you is to complete these 4 pages. On the first page, write out the key signature a few times, no sweat, right? Write the scale using a key signature and mark the half steps with slurs. You remember where the half steps are in every major scale. True or false, is this excerpt of music in the key of D major? Sorry, true or false, this excerpt of music is in D major. Well, have a look at the music. There's no key signature, which might suggest C major, but look at the accidentals in this music. All right, that's clue number 1. Clue number 2 is that not all the time, but very often, music will be either begin and or end on the tonic note. It quite often ends on the tonic note to make the music sound done and final and complete. So use that to your advantage as well. Check out the first note, check out the last note, check out any accidentals in the music, and ask yourself, do these accidentals agree with the key signature that belongs with D major as they're claiming this music is in? Okay. A tonic triad and a 1-octave arpeggio, if you refer to the back of the book, like it says at the bottom of the page, or refer to the glossary for more information on what those are. We talked about them last year just a little bit, but if you don't remember, flip to the back of your book, find that glossary to remind yourself what the tonic triad and octave arpeggio are. All right, so that's all in D major with the 2 sharps. That's that done. The next page in the key of A major, essentially it's the similar kind of stuff, but similar kind of questions, but now of course doing it with 3 sharps using the F, the C, and the G sharp in these key signatures. So practice, of course, writing the key signatures, and then practice writing the scales, practice writing that A major scale, an arpeggio, and then here's a new little assignment. Add all necessary accidentals to this music to make it sound correct in A major. So in other words, the 3 sharps that you need in the key of A major, make all those notes sharp in this music. And that'll turn this music into the key of A major. Okay, so that's that one. Next, in the key of B flat major, if you quickly flip back to your circle of fifths, you'll see that the key of B flat major has 2 flats in it. So again, same as the previous pages, you're going to practice writing that key signature, practice writing the scale, answer a true or false question, write the key signature and the tonic triad of B flat major at different places on the staff. It doesn't matter if you're playing it in a higher octave or a lower octave, it's still the same music. Okay, and then write a 1-octave arpeggio in B flat major, and write the scale of B flat major in the bass clef 1 octave ascending. So again, whenever you're being asked big, slightly longer questions like this, make sure every aspect of the question is done. That you use the key signature for B flat major. Make sure you're thinking about bass clef because the bass clef's written for you. Make sure you do exactly 1 octave, and you do it just going up. So that's B flat major, and then finally the last page is the key of E flat major. Again, same old stuff. Practice writing the key signature, practice writing the scales, add accidentals to this 2-octave E scale to make it major. All right, you're going to need some stuff in here. What are you going to need? And remember that it should apply to the lower octave as well as the higher octave. So if you needed, let's say you needed an F sharp here in this scale to make the pattern of tones and semitones work. Let's say you needed an F sharp here. Well, you would also need an F sharp in the beginning of the next scale. So please keep that in mind. So all right, answer all those 4 pages, and then you'll be ready to go for the next test. All right, take care.